but it's clearly they're X-Men. So, from that perspective, yeah, but the fascinating phenomenon with subliminal influences is you're unaware.
Let's explain these 5 emotional phenomena that occurs during grandiosity.
I'm an interview, but you have to let me ask the question.
Because it's so cool, And like seeing you is like amazing.
5 irony. You remember you have at least 5 primary ironies.
In philosophical ideology, like solipsism or animism, implement us.
And we're just waiting for John to get in the room. John Lovitz. Some people say I have a cute nose.
What you find with not just neurotypicals but atypical.
Burden of soul into tangible or intangible, organic or inorganic, animate and inanimate.
Even if you look at it from a parapsychological approach.
And it's like that.